Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Anupama, and today I'm going to teach you sexual reproduction in flowering plants, as this is a easy chapter, and I will help you in remembering it, and also I will talk only important points. Okay, so first thing is this is a flower, and I will tell the parts. This is stigma, style, and this is ovary, as I will go in otherwise, as many people like start from addition. So basically stigma, style, and ovary, these three combine to form pistil, as pistil is known as the gynoecium, as the gynoecium is what is the female reproductive part of flower. Okay, so then this structure is known as stamen, and stamen consists of two parts. First one is anther, second one is filament. So anther and filament combine to form stamen. Okay, so basically like this structure here, it is known as sepal, as above that all these things are there. This is known as petals, you already know. So as I told you, stamen is a androecium, like androecium is male reproductive parts of a flower. Okay, so basically what they formed as anther, and they consist of a microsporangium, as then they form like microspore mother cells, and then they give rise to pollen grains. Okay, and here is what, here they form what, ovule. So basically, first talk of anther. So addition. Anther is what? Anther is bilobe structure. Like as I already drawn here. So this structure is basically like this. So here it consists of four things like this: bilobed, and four microspores. Okay, like sporogenous tissue and everything. As I will explain here, I just show the structure how it looks like this, and then here, this is known as sporogenous tissue, and inside that it consists of tapetum. And I will explain like the outer layer. They are asked mostly in most exams, so I will explain. First one is epidermis, which is outer layer, and another one is endothelium, and another one is a middle layer, and then another one is a microspore mother cells, and then is tapetum. So tapetum is basically really important because it gives nourishment. It gives nourishment to the pollen grains, like the development of the pollen grains, it helps in that. So it consists of a dense cytoplasm, more than one nucleus, and the process of the formation of the microspore from pollen mother cell. So you will ask me, what is pollen mother cell? These cells are all known as the pollen mother cells only. So because it gives rise to a pollen, so that's why. Okay, so the formation of the microspore from pollen mother cell through meiosis. What is meiosis and what is mitosis? You have learned in 11th, but I will say in short form. So meiosis is basically differential. Like for example, I have 16 chromosomes, and you give, like I'm giving example, not of chromosomes here. We don't discuss of that, but still I'm giving a general idea. So 16 chromosomes we have. Okay, we have to differentiate that. In case of meiosis, the each daughter cell have 8 chromosome. Okay, it is half of me, half of the parent. Okay, and it is, and mitosis is what, same as that of the parent. Means if the daughter cells are two, as the two daughter cells, they both have 16 chromosomes, like that. Okay, so basically the microspore. So formation of microspore is formed already. So for a microspore, tetroid in microspore, what we have formed. So it forms into a tetroid, as when the when anther is dehydrated and it get mature, then what happens, the pollen grain, like this microspore tetroid is formed like this, and they get differentiated to form a pollen grain. Okay, so another thing, like this is a microsporangium. Okay, this is a microsporangium. So microsporangium is like this first. Okay, when the formation of the pollen grain takes place, after that what happens? After that, like the dehiscence of the pollen grain occurs as from the sides. Here, as you can see, the formation as